Who invented the airplane? C. Wright brothers. What does UN stand for? A. United Nations. What is the capital of Germany? D. Berlin. Which is the smallest ocean in the world? B. Arctic Ocean. Who invented the telephone? A. Alexander Graham Bell. How many continents are there in the world? C. 7. Which animal is called man's best friend? B. A dog. Which bird cannot fly but can swim? D. Penguin. Which animal changes its color to blend in? B. A chameleon. Which continent has the most countries? C. Africa. What ship carried the Pilgrims to America? A Mayflower. What is the chemical symbol for gold? DO. Which bird is a universal symbol of peace? C. Dove. What is the capital of Spain? B. Madrid. Which fruit is high in vitamin C? C. Orange. Who discovered penicillin? A. Alexander Fleming. Which animal is the tallest on Earth? B. Giraffe. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? D. Avocado. Which mountain is the tallest in the world? C. Mount Everest. How many squares are on a chessboard? B. 64. Who is the first President of the United States? A. George Washington. Which country is called the Land of Fire and Ice? B. Iceland. Which vegetable makes people cry when cut? D. Onion. What is the capital of Italy? A. Rome. Which bird is the largest in the world? C. Ostrich.